In the first part of the finer points of engine work, we looked at the adjustment, repair, assembly and disassembly requirements of the cylinder head area of the engine. In this, the second part, we're going to describe the cylinder block area of inline and transverse engines. As before, this program is divided into a number of self-contained sections. You should watch the program right through once, making a note of the counter numbers on your video player which correspond to each section on the list provided. This list will prove useful for future reference. Let's start by using a micrometer to measure the thickness of a strand of hair. 0.06 or 0.06 of a millimetre. This will give you some idea of the kinds of dimensions that are referred to as tolerances and wear limits as we go through the program. Firstly, the correct repair information must be at hand, and this must correspond with the model and the engine code which is on the side of the engine block. The code identifies the engine output, compression ratio, and the number of cylinders. Gearboxes are also coded to identify the gear ratios and final drive. Don't forget to check for a reconditioning stamp on the engine or gearbox. The gearbox and engine codes must be compatible in order to achieve the performance recommended by the manufacturer. Fitting the wrong gearbox and engine together would result in either poor acceleration or very good acceleration with a high fuel consumption.